When switching performance and protection are mission critical, you need a driver that delivers. Introducing the MPQ6590A from Monolithic Power Systems, an AEC-Q 100 qualified 80-volt high-side MOSFET driver designed for the toughest environments. With an operating range from 7.5 to 80 volts, the MPQ6590A uses an integrated 12-volt charge pump to fully enhance an external N-channel MOSFET quickly and reliably. It can source and sink 1 amp of peak current, enabling fast switching for high current loads. Built-in protection features include overcurrent protection, adjustable VDS to saturation detection, undervoltage lockout, and thermal shutdown, with fault reporting via a dedicated N-fault pin. Its low-power sleep mode draws less than 1 microamp, optimizing battery efficiency in portable and automotive systems. Perfect for battery-powered tools and 48-volt automotive systems, the MPQ6590A enables safe, cost-effective, high-side switching, replacing bulky mechanical relays and switches with compact, robust MOSFET control. Its ability to tolerate negative output voltages down to -70 volt makes it ideal for inductive loads without the need for protection diodes. And with its compact 3mm by 4mm FCQFN package, the MPQ6590A fits where space is tight and reliability is non-negotiable. Smarter switching, safer systems, smaller footprint, MPQ6590A. The simple, reliable solution for high-side drive from Monolithic Power Systems. Subscribe to our channel and get the latest on our innovating new products and systems.